Creating an AWS Management Console account is not a difficult thing to do at all. With just a few steps and clicks, we are good to go. Here are the main things you need to have before you can create the account. You need a valid email address and a Visa card. If you don't have a Visa card and you have a MasterCard or any valid bank card, that also works. In this video, our main focus will be on addressing a common issue most people encounter, which is the phone number verification issue. So let's just get right into the video. On any browser, just type AWS Management Console and you should see an interface like this. So you just click on create an account and this should take you to a sign up page. On this page, you can simply go ahead and enter your email address and also choose any username of your choice. Afterwards, you click on the verify email address to verify the email address. A security verification prompt will then pop up for you to enter. So you just enter exactly what you see over there to pass this security verification. The verification code will be sent to your email. So you can just open your email and then copy and paste this code here. After verifying your email address, the next thing that you'll be doing is creating a password. You have to ensure that the password that you are choosing is strong enough and should follow these requirements provided in the box below. This ensures that your account is very secured and no one can just guess your password and get access to your account. So you just re-enter the password and then continue to the next step. You have to also make sure that with the password, you are not choosing something that is too long or too complicated. Otherwise, it's going to be very hard to remember. Here, we are going to be choosing the free plan because with the free plan, you get up to $200 in credit, and this allows you to use certain services for free. So AWS credits are just it's more like a gift, right? So instead of paying for certain services, now you get to use them for free with these credits. This section is the contact information section where you enter every or any appropriate information about yourself. So you have your name, the organization, which is optional, then your phone number, the country, address, city, and then you just move on to the next step. So the next step here is the billing information. So this is why we ask that you have a bank card right at the beginning of the video. So you just choose your country and then you enter the card number, the CVV, and then every other details that is needed in this section. So you can just go ahead and then move to the next step. Now, with this next step, what we have is the phone number verification step. So you are supposed to enter your phone number here, and then you receive an SMS or you receive an OTP, right, which you would enter into the verification or which you'd enter as a verification code. So if you go ahead over here and then you enter your phone number and everything and you receive that OTP, then you are good to go. But then if you do not receive that OTP, then the next session is for you. In this phase, we'll be using the sign-in page instead. So as we did for the first one, just look for AWS Management Console sign-in and you should see something like this. So just go ahead and select the root user and then you enter your email address. Next, you enter your password and this will log you straight into your AWS Management Console account. So even though our phone number is not verified, you still get to log into the account. In the search bar, you can just type support and choose this very first option. So this will take you to the support dashboard, because we are going to be making some complaints over here. So you should see an interface like this, and in this very first box we enter, or we describe our issue over here. So this is more like an AI, and it's going to give you some recommendations. So if you look through the recommendations that is given you and you find some answers to whatever you are looking for, then you can just not create a case. But then we want to create a case, so we just click on the create a case over here. So we enter the subject. You can just leave it as phone number verification. Then you come down to the description. You have to make sure that you are giving detailed information down here. So here I have the phone number verification issue, which was picked from what we gave the AI. So you just continue to add some more details here. So after creating my account, I did not receive the OTP. So from there you go ahead and fill in the other details. So create type, we choose account and billing because we are concerned about our account. For the service type, you have to choose account activation and not account. So over here we chose the account, but then it's supposed to be account activation, so that in the category you can find the phone number verification over there. Severity, you just leave it as general question. Then you select your preferred language, so here is English. And then how do you want them to contact you? Is it via web, chat, or you want them to give you a call? So here we choose phone so that they can call and interact with us. So you choose your country, here Ghana, and then you enter your phone number. So you have to make sure that you are starting with your country code with the phone number that you are going to enter. So this is just it. We go ahead and we create our case. So what you have to look out for next is a call from a US number, right? So AWS is going to call you and then communicate with you, find out what exactly you are facing, and then help you resolve that issue. So this is how you solve the OTP issue, or the phone number verification issue. I hope this video really helped you.